Hello everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to integrate Backblaze with xCloud and easily backup your sites. Let's get started. First, log into your Backblaze account and navigate to the Buckets page. Click on Create a Bucket. Give your bucket a unique name, and configure the settings as needed. Once you've completed the setup, click Add the Bucket to create your new storage bucket. Next, you'll need to generate an API key to access your Backblaze bucket. Head over to the Application Keys section, located under the Account menu. Here, click on Create New Key. Give your new key a name, select the bucket you just created, and set the access level to read and write. Then, hit Create New Key. Copy the 3 credentials that appear on the next screen: the key ID, key name, and application key. Keep them safe, you'll only need them ahead. Now, let's head over to your xCloud dashboard. Log in, and navigate to My Profile, then click on Integrations, followed by Storage Provider. From here, click on Add New Provider. You'll now see a list of storage providers. Click on the Select Provider drop-down, and choose Backblaze. Now it's time to enter the details you've gathered from Backblaze. Fill in the bucket name, access key ID, secret key, and endpoint. These credentials should be ready from the previous steps. Once all the information is entered, click on Submit to complete the integration. With Backblaze Storage integrated with xCloud, it's time to set up your site's backups. If you have multiple storage providers, choose Backblaze as your preferred provider. Select your newly created bucket under the Remote Backup settings. You can also exclude certain paths if necessary. Now, let's automate your backups. You can schedule automatic backups and set the frequency and time for them. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Backblaze as your storage provider in xCloud and configured your site's backup settings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!